Video number 6, uploading longer videos. Uploading videos longer than 15 minutes. I'm already signed in. I know I'm signed in because I can see my logo, my photo, my avatar, my icon, whichever one I call it. Alright, so what we'll do is go to my channel, and in order to upload videos longer than 15 minutes, you'll have to verify your account. So to do so, click on your avatar, and you can change that, by the way, here to a different photo or logo, whatever. Once you get here, click on the gear icon. You will go to, that takes you to the YouTube settings, and you will view additional features. Here it is right here to remember. And under view additional features, you would click here to enable longer videos longer than 15 minutes. Once you do this, make sure your phone is nearby because they're going to send you a code, and you'll have to confirm and text them a code to make sure that you made this change on your account. And that's it for uploading videos longer than 15 minutes. If I want to go back, just click here to get back to home, and click here to get back to my channel. Thank you.